How to create Google form with photo upload. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google form with a photo upload option. It's a simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to the Google Forms and sign in with your account. And once you are in, either create a new form or select an existing one where you want to add the photo upload feature. And once you are inside the form, you can simply scroll down and click on multiple choice question type, and from the drop down menu you can simply select file upload, and after that a prompt will appear. You can simply click on continue to proceed. Next, you can customize the file upload settings. So set the file type to image so user can only upload photos, and after that you can adjust the file size limit according to your preferences, and you can also make it mandatory question if required. And once you have set up everything, let's preview the form. As here you can see the publish button in the top right side. So simply tap on that. And after that you can simply click on publish to publish the form. And once you have published the form, you can see the copy icon beside the publish button. Simply click on that and copy the URL of the form. And after that you can simply open the new tab and paste the URL that you have copied and simply press enter. And once you see the interface like this, you can simply see the add file button. So simply click on that, and after that click on browse. Now choose the image to upload. And once you have selected the image, you can simply click on submit the form. And after that you simply need to head over to the responses section, and there you will find the uploaded image. And that's it. That's how you can set up a Google form with a photo upload option. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.